Another example, this is CONES3 taken 6,3 plus. So CONES3 taken 6,3 plus, cobalt atomic number 27, oxidation state of the cobalt in the complex plus 3, electrons donated by the ligands. So 6 into 2, that is equals to 12. 27 minus 3 plus 12 is equals to 36. This is also equals to krypton atomic number. So CONES3 taken 6 3 plus also obeys effective atomic number rule, EAN rule. Then another example, this is NiCO4 nickel tetracarbonyl. In nickel tetracarbonyl, nickel atomic number 28, nickel atomic number 28, electronic configuration 3d8 4s2, 3d8 4s2. Then nickel oxidation state in NiCO4, this is 0. This is 0. NiCO4, in NiCO4 oxidation state of nickel is 0. Then electrons donated by the ligands, 8 electrons can donated by the carbonyl group to nickel. So 4 into 2 is equals to 8 electrons. So 28 minus 0, 0 means oxidation state of nickel, plus 8 means electrons donated by the ligands. 28 minus 0 plus 8 is equals to 36. This is also equals to krypton atomic number. So 36 is krypton atomic number. So 36 means this is the nearest inert gas configuration, nearest inert gas atomic number. So NiCO4 obeys EAN rule. Then another example, FeCN6 3 minus, FeCN6 3 minus. So FeCN6 3 minus, in FeCN6 3 minus, iron atomic number 26. Iron atomic number 26, electronic configuration argon 3d6 4s2, argon 3d6 4s2, oxidation state of iron in FeCN6 3 minus, FeCN6 3 minus. Here Fe plus 6 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3, so Fe is equals to plus 3. So iron oxidation state plus 3. Then number of electrons donated by the ligands. So 6 into 2, and that means cyanide ligand 6 unnai kabatti 6 into 2, so 12. 26 minus 3 plus 12 is equals to 35. So 35, here final electrons, total number of electrons to 35. So FeCN6 3 minus does not obeys EAN rule, does not obeys EAN rule, does not obeys EAN rule. That means, so here FeCN6 3 minus, so total number of electrons according to EAN rule having 35 electrons. 35 electrons, this means that the metal ions Fe3 plus, metal ion that is Fe3 plus in the complex contain each one unpaired electron. This indicates, that means 36 minus 35, that is equals to plus 1. 36 minus 35. 36 means krypton atomic number with total number of electrons in FeCN6 3 minus 35. So 36 minus 35 is equals to 1 electron. That means FeCN6 3 minus having 1 unpaired electron. 1 unpaired electron. Then another example, PtCl6 2 minus. PtCl6 2 minus. In PtCl6 2 minus, platinum, this is platinum atomic number 78, platinum atomic number 78. Then in PtCl6 2 minus, in PtCl6 2 minus, oxidation number of platinum, here platinum is equals to plus 4. So platinum plus 4 oxidation state having, so plus 4 oxidation state. Then 12 electrons. 12 electrons means 6 into 2. Each chlorine ligand donates 2 electrons to platinum. So 6 chlorine ligand, 6 into 2 is equals to 12. That means 78 minus 4 plus 12 is equals to 86. 86 is equals to radon atomic number. Nearest inert gas atomic number radon. So 86 also radon. So PtCl6 2 minus also obeys EAN rule. So ఇక్కడ PtCl6 2 minus లో platinum atomic number పరమాణు సంఖ్య 78. So platinum oxyకరణ స్థితి plus 4. Then number of electrons donated by the ligands. Ligandల నుండి దానం చేయబడినటువంటి ఎలక్ట్రాన్లు మొత్తం 12. So 78 minus 4 plus 12 is equals to 86. So 86 అనేది రేడాన్ యొక్క పరమాణు సంఖ్య. సో రేడాన్ పరమాణు సంఖ్యకు సమానం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ PtCl6 2 minus అనేది ఏ నియమాన్ని పాటిస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ PdNH3 taken 6 4 plus palladium. Here palladium atomic number 46. Then oxidation state of palladium in PdNH3 taken 6 3 plus. PdNH3 taken 6 4 plus. So Pd is equals to plus 4 oxidation state. Palladium plus 4 oxidation state. Then number of electrons donated by the ligands 12 electrons. So ikkada 6 ammonia ligands now 6 into 2 is equals to 12 electrons. Here 46 minus 4 plus 12 is equals to 54. So 54 అనేది xenon atomic number అన్నమాట. So 54 also inert gas atomic number 54. So xenon. So 54 xenon కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ PdNH3 taken 6 4 plus also obeys EAN rule. Then PdCl4 2 minus PdCl4 2 minus palladium atomic number 46. Palladium atomic number 46. Then oxidation state of complex plus 2. Oxidation state of complex plus 2. Electrons donated by the ligands total electrons plus 8. So 8. Then 46 minus 2 plus 8 is equals to 52 electrons. Total 52 electrons. 52 electrons means here 54 minus 52. So that means PdCl4 2 minus does not obey EAN rule. EAN rule. Here xenon atomic number 54. Then total number of electrons in PdCl4 2 minus here 52. So 54 minus 52 that is equals to 2 electrons. So PdCl4 2 minus having 2 unpaired electrons. Then NiNH3 taken 6 2 plus. NiNH3 taken 6 2 plus. Here nickel atomic number 28. Nickel atomic number 28. So here nickel atomic number 28. Electron configuration argon 3d8 4s2. 3d8 4s2. Oxidation state of nickel in NiNH3 taken 6 2 plus plus 2. Then number of electrons. Here number of electrons donated by the ligands. So 6 into 2. So 12 electrons. 28 minus 2 plus 12 that is equals to 38. 38 means here 36 is krypton atomic number. 36 means krypton atomic number. So 38 means 2 more electrons is there when compared to krypton atomic number. When compared to krypton atomic number. Then final example CuNH3 taken 4 2 plus. CuNH3 taken 4 2 plus. Then CuNH3 taken 4 2 plus. Copper atomic number. So here copper atomic number 29. Electronic configuration 3d argon 3d10 4s1. Argon 3d10 4s1. CuNH3 taken 4 2 plus. Then 29 is the atomic number of copper. Then oxidation state of CuNH3 copper in CuNH3 taken 4 2 plus is plus 2. So plus 2. Then number of electrons donated by the ligands. In CuNH3 taken 4 2 plus. 4 into 8 is equals to 4 into 2 is equals to 8. So here 29 minus 2 plus 8 that is equals to 35. So 35 means this is also less than 1 electrons to krypton atomic number. So in CuNH3 taken 4 2 plus also does not obey EAN rule. EAN rule. That means 36 minus 35 is equals to 1. That means the metal ion in Cu2 plus in the metal ion Cu2 plus in CuNH3 taken 4 2 plus having one unpaired electron. One unpaired electron.